What's up, Peak Timers? Today we are reviewing the T-Rextroyer. Check this one out, a very interesting casting. It is from the Dino Riders car number 3 of 5, and it's car number 89 of 250 from the 2019 Hot Wheels set. Let's go ahead and open this one up. Here we go. I'm liking these interesting fantasy castings here. This one, I would like to say it's McLaren Orange. It kind of looks like McLaren Orange. It's got those cool new wheels on there. And check out the exhaust that comes out from the side of it. And that angry front end. Nice looking Tampa work on there. Good texture on there as well. And you can see the little eyes that just poke right through. The chrome engine on there. The big tail that comes out, and it's got kind of like the paws and stuff that it has right here. Hot Wheels logo located right on the top right there, which is a nice little touch. Let me know, what do you guys think of this casting? Do you want to see more of these interesting fantasy castings?